Culinary Museum. Today we are turning the classic potato dauphinoise into two extraordinary dishes. One with dry aged beef tartare, the other with creamy burrata and tomato tartare. Let's get started. Start with the potato first. Butter in. Salt. Milk. Mix up. Now we flip the potato upside down. Then we cut the potato. This size is gonna be better. Beef. Then you turn the beef. To this small brunoise. Now we start first with the beef part first. So beef in. Capers. Seeds mustard. Chopped chive. Olive oil. Salt, black pepper. Now tomato part, tomato first. Chopped capers, and then chive, then olive oil, mustard seeds, salt, black pepper. Now we start first with the first version of this potato, which is the beef one. So here's the potato, and here is the beef tartare. Then we finish it with black truffle. So now we explain the plate is we have the potato dauphinoise. It's a layered potato cooked with butter in an oven 180 degree. And then on top we have the dry aged beef sirloin with capers, mustard, and finish it with truffle. Now we start first with the second version of this potato, dauphinoise potato. This is the second version. Burrata in. We'll mix the burrata, open the burrata here. And then the burrata cream. Same to the other side. And then now slowly we put the tomato tartare. So now we're explaining the plate is we have the potato dauphinoise. It's a layered potato cooked with butter. On top we have the burrata, milk burrata, and then we have the tomato tartare on top, and finish it with fresh lime zest. I want to hear from you. Which version are you dying to try first? Team beef tartare or team burrata? Let me know in the comment below.